Let's bake a 5-star chicken thighs in the oven with simple ingredients. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. With me here, I have 6 pieces of clean chicken thighs. I clean the excess water from the chicken pieces with a paper towel and start to cut on each side of the chicken thighs to help proper marinating. Once I'm done with the cutting, in a baking pan, I will put the cut thighs in. So everything is now in the baking pan. Let's begin with the marinade. For the marinade, I'm using Remy spice today. Feel free to use any seasoning powder of your choice. I pour 1 sachet of it into a bowl and add in some black pepper powder, coriander powder, thyme, paprika powder, some chili flakes if you want a little hotness in it. Then I go in with some salt to taste. I then add in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil helps the chicken to have that beautiful brown color on the outside of the chicken. I proceed to stir it nicely to get a paste-like consistency. So I'm adding in a little more salt and then give it a good stir. I then go in with water. The water is going to help infuse the flavors of the seasoning into the meat. Then I give it a very good mix. Now I have achieved a nice consistency. As you can see, it is not too thick, it is not too watery. So I added my last seasoning and then give it a very good mix. I then pour onto the chicken thighs the marinade seasoning. I put on a pair of gloves and rub the seasonings onto the chicken very well, making sure all corners and holes are well coated with the marinade. At this point, I would like to say a very big thank you to you watching, and I hope after watching this video, you are going to try your hands on. I'm going to leave the list of ingredients I used in this recipe down in the description. Now check it out. Everything is looking succulent. To get the marinade well infused into the chicken and for your chicken to become very juicy, it is best to marinate your chicken for some time. So I cover it with a rubber and I marinated it for about 5 hours, and this is how it's looking after the 5 hours. It's almost got frozen. I take off the rubber, put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, and after that I flip it to the other side, put it back in the oven for additional 40 minutes on a very low temperature. That's about 120 degrees. So if your temperature is about 425 or 360, the time to cook the chicken will be very less, and it is best to always check your chicken after some time to prevent it from burning. Now this is our chicken looking all succulent, and my kids really enjoyed it. In fact, this got finished in 2 days. Now take a look at something. Thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it out there for someone also to benefit from it. Take a look at it. In fact, choose.